Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Survey Maniac. So in today's video, I will be reviewing 3 survey platforms that are perfect for beginners. And these sites are easy to start with because they have a low cash out requirements and the verification process is also light. Unlike some other platforms like Prime Opinion, which they are more stricter. So so if you are new into online surveys and you want something simple, this video is for you. So first of all, let me drop the first site, which is a NiceSurvey. So this platform is a very beginner friendly for new users. So the registration is also easy. You just have to use your email to register, then you confirm your email. So once you log in, this is how your dashboard will also look like. So and they have the best and the fastest. So this is the fastest. So you can see download. So the surveys are short with low reward, but they are easy to complete. So if you want the best, so they have a high reward, or most of them are hard to complete, just moderate. So don't let me say hard. So, and again, when you are registering on this site, please use a real American name. Use a real American name. Don't use just nickname or just any random name. So you can make use of a free name generator. So you can use for you to copy any American name. So this site is very easy. So during your first cash out, they will request for a phone number. So you can actually verify it with a US phone number, and then you wait for payment. Your payment is also very fast. I think they pay in less than 1 hour. So sometimes within 10 minutes, sometimes instant. So I've been on this platform for a while and been enjoying it. And you can see my rewards. You can see. So sometimes, because I work in different platforms, so I don't focus on one. You can see. So anytime I focus on this platform, I can easily catch out $5 a day. So the second platform also. So the minimum payment for this is, I usually catch out $5, but I think the minimum is $2. You can see here, which is Apple. So maybe if you are doubting or you want to test your the site first, so you can hardly start with the $2. Once you complete a survey is worth $2. So the second one is Idle-Empire. So this is my second site, which are also very easy to complete. Idle-Empire. So Idle-Empire. So this site is also, but the truth about this site, they have a low requirement also. They are not that strict also. So and their minimum cash out is 50 cents. Yes, 50 cents. So and you can cash out with your Bitcoin, business gift card. So you understand, so you can cash out with business gift card on this site. And also they have many footer pages. So though the one thing about this site is is kind of hard to complete sometimes, but it's at least if you can be focused and consistent, you can still be able to make something out of it. So sometimes if I didn't get money, maybe $1 or $2. So I usually make use of this, then cash out with crypto. So that is when I even need crypto. So the third survey site also is HeyPiggy. Let me write it here. Okay. So because I'm using two profiles, so I don't want to open the HeyPiggy on the other site, on the other profile. So this is my second profile. I'll see. So this is my HeyPiggy account also. So the registration is also simple, just like the NiceSurvey. So one thing I love about this HeyPiggy is their rewards, their this thing rewards for each survey are very high compared to the NiceSurvey. So they are a little bit strict than NiceSurvey. But if you can set up your process very well, your setup is, if it's okay, can the site is also nice. So, and they pay very nice also. So they have big rewards also. I don't know why my account is bringing low rewards now, but so you can actually see my previous cash out also on this also. I see. So they also have a low payment of 2 for iTunes. I think it's also Apple, for Apple. I think it's also $2. You understand? Okay, for Amazon itself is even $1. And VCR to is $1. So you can just minimum of $1. So you can see. You can just try your luck. Test in case you are doubting. I'll just test out the site. You understand? So also you have to use a rename on this, so to avoid cancellation of payment, and your IP must be also strong. So you have to use a strong IP. So what is very something mobile 5G or Telegram IP, you can use any. So because the site is not that strict compared to 5Surveys and Prime Opinion. So so these are the 3 sites that are easy to use, and they pay quickly and perfect for anyone that want to start service. You understand? So I will leave the link in the description so you can try them out. So when you get your first cash out, so also drop a comment below, and I also drop my Telegram group link so you can join the group and share your opinion, or if you are facing any challenges, so you can drop so we can sort it out together. So because I always love to see your result. So if this review was helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more reviews. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.